Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can give somebody access to your cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this guide by Host Papa, and there are two main approaches. One is the trusting approach, which pretty much gives your user you're giving access to almost unlimited access to your cPanel. Of course, not full access, but they will have most functionalities available. And the way that you do this is, of course, you first log into your cPanel, and then you're going to need to go into preferences. After you're there, you're going to go into the user manager, and then you're going to click to add a user. Then when this interface opens, you of course need to enter the personal details of the new user, which is the full name, username, domain, contact email address, and the domain which you want to give them access to. And that is pretty much it. Then you can scroll down to security information, and you'll be given an option to either give them the option to set their own account password, or you can set their password yourself. And if you want to adjust the strength, you can click on the drop down menu next to generate a different strength password if you want to generate it, or you can just type it in yourself. Then you're going to navigate to the services section, which is divided into email access, FTP access, and web disk direct access. Email access, when enabled, allows the user to have an email address associated with your domain. Its quota section allows you to designate the hard drive space that the new user has to store their emails. In FTP access, you're giving them permission to upload files to your website. Quota defines how much space is allotted to them to use at their disclosure. Then home directory shows the path where the new user can upload the file. And if you want the new user to have access to all the files, you should leave the home directory text bar. And the web disk section allows the new user to access and work with files stored on the server from different platforms and devices, such as a computer, mobile phone, and certain types of software. And that is pretty much it. You can also use the digest authentication subsection for encryption, and when enabled, it allows the user to access the web disk without encryption if you want to. And then once you're done, you can just click create, which will create just that one user, or you can create and add another one if you so choose. And yeah, that's the main approach. However, you also have the cautious approach on how to create an FTP account. You pretty much just go to files, go to FTP accounts, and then create a new FTP account. I do have a tutorial for that as well. However, it's a very intuitive process, so you'll be able to get it without any problems. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.